This is amazing! It's a winter wonderland!
Welcome to Running Springs Chalet.
Look at this. This place is massive.
This is 5 acres. We have 3 acres of grass. It is an oasis. It's so quiet here and peaceful.
And so what's the name of this property?
This is Running Springs Chalet.
Running Springs Chalet. Nice little well right there.
Yes,
Yeah.
so we have 3 wells, and the well water is used to water the 3 acres of grass.
Well.
Well.
See, 3 wells. Anyways, and then is this for horses? Because this looks like yeah.
This is our outdoor stable. So this is where the horses like to hang out. It has 3 sides. There's also the barn over here.
It looks like there's a whole upstairs.
So the horses would stay in the indoor stable downstairs. Above the barn is an incredible gym. You can do some boxing practice.
Okay.
But the best part about the gym is the sauna.
I love that. And
Yes.
so a little luxury for the horses, a little luxury for you.
Yes,
But
yes.
it is coming down like crazy.
Yes, it
Can
is.
we get to the main house where
Yes,
everybody's staying? Because it's
Let's go.
it's coming down, and
Yes,
I need
it
to
is.
warm up by a fire. Just look at this. Like, you have the fire looking out over this. Like, this is what you signed up for.
Yes, it is.
I love it. I want to go explore the house. I want to go see all the fun things that you guys have inside. Are you giving me the tour, or?
Well, so actually Phil's going to give you the tour.
Phil?
My partner, life partner, and work partner.
That's a good partner.
That's a good partner.
Yeah, when
Next year, we're celebrating our 25th anniversary.
What?
Yes.
Give me one of those.
Yes.
That's what I'm
He's
talking
the
about.
best.
Congratulations
So,
on that.
yes, it is.
I'm gonna go check out the
Yes.
inside of the house.
Yes.
Thank you. Get
Phil,
dry.
yes, and Phil is going to show you all around.
I love it. Whew, that was some snow. Phil, I'm coming. Phil.
Hey, Rob.
You play music like an angel, my friend.
It's great to see you.
Great to see you.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, I love it, man. Where are people sleeping?
So people sleep upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 with king beds, 1 with queen bed, and they're gorgeous. So each one has their own fireplace, each one has their own TV. They have a veranda that all joins out in the back. And something unique, they have their own entrances, but they can also connect all 3 rooms together.
That's pretty unique.
They have their own ensuite. They have independent entrances, but they can also be joined. You know, the beauty of this property is in winter, you have the jacuzzi, you have the fire pits. It transitions to spring and summer, where everything goes green. And when it goes green, you have a little babbling brook that comes down from here on this side of the house down to a koi pond.
Just tell me a little about, like, why Big Bear, why this company?
Yeah, absolutely. So Big Bear is a community that is very much about what we're about, and it's about people. It's really about the small town for people coming up from wherever. I grew up near the mountains, and this is where it's home for me.
Why vacation rentals?
So vacation rentals are about people going somewhere to have an experience. And so my wife and I, both before we got married and after, we've been to many, many places around the world. And we decided when we came back home that we want to invite people to a place just like that. The opportunity here is about bringing people for that.
And so when you jump into the vacational space, you're just kind of organically giving a piece of yourself that you love and allowing other people to have that.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
See?
All right.
And it's the beauty of where we are.
Yeah.
We get to be local as Skyrun, but also have a national network.
I love that. Well, I'm gonna go attempt to get back to my car in the snow. I'm going in. Oh, it's cold. Okay.
Good luck.